I am randomly and impulsively starting my YouTube channel. I've been thinking about this, I've been marinating, and we're gonna start off Vision Board 2025. Let's get into it, shall we? First things first, I'm opening my Pinterest. I love Pinterest. You're a Pinterest girly, you get it. Starting off with my 2024 list. So I basically came up with a bunch of different goals that I was thinking of, like things that I wanted 2024 Yumna to embody, like the character I wanted to be. The biggest thing about goal setting is to make your goals smart. They should be specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, and time sensitive. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's it. Putting numbers on these things helps make it easier to check off the goal at the end of the year or at the end of your timeline. For me, I want to finish 7 books by the end of the year, strengthening my faith. These are just a few examples of things that I envisioned my future self to do, want, and accomplish. And so using my 2024 list, I made a 2025 list. So I upped that number from 7 to 10. It was really fun to come up with the emojis up here at the top. I feel like brown, beige, like neutrals, and just cozy vibes are 2025 Yumna's vibes. Going on with the original goals I had, I just increased those goals or kept them the same, like maintain them based on how I accomplished them in the previous year. Writing it down is just how I process. If you process through images, start off with Pinterest. If you process with thoughts, start off my way. Now moving back over to the fun part, I would look up to the goals that I was interested in accomplishing. Pick like aesthetic pictures that would speak to me. Like for example, I love this one and I have a board for everything, so I would just save it to the 2025 board. And so here is what my 2025 vision board looks like. I'm just going to do a quick scroll here so you'll get an idea of what I pinned and what my goals are, and of course use my goals for inspiration if you feel that they resonate with you. Look at other people's videos and look at other people's TikToks, Pinterest, things like that to get inspiration and see what floats your boat. Basically then what I did is I saved the select pictures that kind of spoke to me, and I would just do that by clicking download image here and then saving it to my desktop. And then I would open it up all in Canva. You can just click create a design, hit custom size, paste that into here. You click upload files and then you can add whatever you want. So here are some random pictures I have for another project I was working on. You can set them up in whatever way, everything in an ordered row. You can randomize them or you can collage them one on top of each other. Something I have fun with a lot is that I cut out. So I'll do a background remover. You can also do that by like using any other photo editing app. You can cut out the background. You can also probably Google a background remover tool. So this on Canva Pro, I was able to just do that. Just able to click a simple button and it did it for me. And let's say I don't want this table in here, I can simply cut it out. And then you can put your floating objects over top like this. This makes me look so vain, lol. Let's say for example you wanted to put this on your vision board. You can just take single items and you can Google photos too or get them from your photo library. And like so, you can make a cute little collage. My final design ended up looking like this. This is the vision board that I ended up with. I am so in love with the way that the colors actually complement one another. I added some cutouts here. I just think it makes the wallpaper look a lot more dynamic. Speaking of wallpaper, that is probably the biggest element here. Put your vision board in a place where you're always going to see it, whether it is on your office wall, laptop wallpaper, your phone wallpaper, something that will remind you where your life is sort of headed or what you had planned for yourself at the beginning of the year. So when I look at this, I'm seeing, oh, I want to study, I want to travel with my friends, I'm going to plan some Disney trips, I want to read. Here's another example if it helps. This was my vision board from last year. It's dealing with a lot more beiges, and I can say with full confidence that every single one of these items was complete and achieved in my 2024. And I do credit that to seeing this wallpaper every single day and having these goals be at the forefront of my mind. Thanks so much for watching this quick video on my vision board and how I created it. If you want to see more videos like this, please click the like button and comment down below. I hope you'll come back for more. Make sure you click subscribe for the next time I upload. There's a lot more to come on this adventure, and I hope you'll join along. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.